Exercise number 11.1. First problem. Find the complementary and supplementary angle of each of the following. So first is 26 degrees, 62 degrees, 9 degrees, and fourth is 51 degrees, 37 degrees. So we need to find out complementary and supplementary. So you know about complementary. Complementary means if we are adding two angles and getting 90 degrees, then we call that angle as complementary angles. And the supplementary angles means if we are adding two angles and getting the sum as 180 degrees, then we call that angle as supplementary angles. So let us start the solution. So in solution we will write down, since the measure of two complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. For complementary it is 90 degrees, and the measures of two supplementary angles add up to, for supplementary it is 180 degrees. So therefore we can write, or we can get the complementary angle. So complementary angle of 26 degrees is, we need to subtract 90 minus 26. So if we subtract 26 from 90, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So it is 64 degrees. Next is supplementary angle of 26. Now we need to subtract 26 from 180. Now if we subtract this, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So it is 154. Next, second bit, complementary angle of 62 degrees is equals to 90 minus 62 degrees. So it is 10 minus 2 is 8 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So it is 28 degrees. Next is supplementary angle. So let us write down supplementary angle. So supplementary angle of 62, we need to subtract 62 from 180 minus 62. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So 118 degrees. Next is the third bit. So let us write down the complementary angle of 9. So complementary angle of 9 degrees. Now let us subtract 9 from 90 degrees. So this will be, if you are subtracting 9 from 10, you will get 1. Okay. So 10 minus 9, 1 and 8. So it is 81 degrees. Next, supplementary angle. So supplementary angle of 9, that will be 180 minus 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 7. So 171. Next, fourth bit, complementary angle. So complementary angle of 51. 51 is equals to 90 minus 51. So this will be 10 minus 1 is 9 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So it is 39 degrees. Supplementary angle of 51 degrees. So 180. So for supplementary we need to subtract from 180. So 180 minus 51. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So that is 129 degrees. Next is the fifth bit. So let us write down complementary. So complementary angle. So complementary angle of 37 degrees. So that will be 90 minus 37. So you will get 10 minus 7 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So it is 53 degrees. Supplementary angle of 37 is equals to 180 minus 37. Now we will subtract. So 10 minus 7 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4 and this is 1. So 143 degrees. So these are the required angles.